Hey, it's Dustin, Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace this drawer assembly on your Frigidaire range. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The storage drawer on your Frigidaire range is designed to hold pots and pans for cooking and baking. Over time, the drawer assembly may need to be replaced if it becomes bent, damaged, or the side glides loosen or fall off. The assembly comes with the glides pre-attached and they are not sold separately. The front panel, however, is sold separately, allowing you to replace the drawer without purchasing a new panel. If you need to replace the front panel or the left or right drawer glides inside the cabinet, check out our replacement videos linked in the description. If you need to purchase a new drawer assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you're getting the correct part. Tools needed for this repair are a T15 Torx screwdriver or bit. Some components may have sharp edges, so you may want to wear protective gloves. First, remove the drawer assembly. Pull the drawer all the way out and slightly lift on the front of the drawer while slightly pulling it forward. The drawer wheels will then be able to be lifted free. There are 4 T15 screws holding the panel to the drawer assembly. 2 on the inside of the drawer cavity and 2 on the bottom of the drawer. First, remove the 2 T15 screws holding on the front of the panel from the inside of the drawer. Carefully turn the drawer upside down and remove the 2 T15 fasteners attached to the bottom of the panel. It may be easier to remove the front panel by placing the drawer on a flat surface with the panel hanging off of the edge. After removing all 4 screws, the panel will now be free. If you need to purchase a new drawer assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you're getting the correct part. Before installing your new drawer assembly, inspect the cabinet's drawer glides. If they are damaged or bent, they should be replaced. These are simple to install and only held to the appliance by 1 T20 Torx screw, which you can tighten if it has become loose. This is also a great time to clean under the appliance. Place the new drawer assembly upside down on a flat surface. Point the front panel edge with the finger groove towards the ground and slide the panel over the mounting pillars and the bottom lip of the panel over the bottom of the drawer assembly. The bottom edge of the drawer panel should go over the bottom of the drawer assembly. Align the mounting holes and insert both T15 screws and be sure not to over-tighten. If you over-tighten, you can risk stripping out the mounting holes. Flip the drawer over and both mounting holes on the panel should be aligned with the mounting holes in the pillars. If you cannot see the mounting holes, adjust the panel and insert each fastener. Tighten, but like the bottom 2 screws, do not over-tighten. Reinstall the drawer by placing the rollers on the drawer over the rollers in the appliance's glides. Once the rollers are inside of the glide rollers, push the drawer in until it stops. Slightly lift the front of the drawer until the drawer stops clear of the glide wheels. Lower the front of the drawer and push it all the way in. Your storage drawer is now ready to use. And that's all for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin, Parts Doctor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.